Hi, Alex here. Welcome back to the course and welcome to another section entitled Use a Loop for Less Bugs Tips. Okay, and in this first video, in this section, we are going to talk about for loops versus while loops. So let's take a look at how for loops and while loops differ and why would you choose one instead of another. Now, in this example, I want to print out the numbers from 0 till 4, meaning 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 5 elements. So, okay, code would be going something like this. We are going to declare a variable, and it would be 0. And then we would go and add something, well, 1, while I is less than 5. So let us add, first of all, let's print out our I, and then let's add 1 to I. So let's run this and see what we actually get, and I believe we should get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do have it, but it is kind of cumbersome and it really doesn't make any sense to write so many lines of code. So a better code would be to use for loops. So let's type that out. For I in, and we want 0 till, we could use 4 here, or we could use less than 5. Let's use less than 5. Then we want to print out I. And that is as simple as that. Let me just comment this out. Oh, sorry about that. Let's just comment it out. Okay, so let's run this and see that we do actually get 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the log. And it is much more simpler, much easier to understand, and you don't have to write all of these 3, 4, 5 lines of code, and you don't have to have this I declared as a variable. Okay, now I hope you enjoyed this video.